Hi there, I'm Matt from Cypherpunks. I am here to tell you about our BlacMatrix, the one-time pad cipher secure communication system. System uses an unbreakable quantum-resistant one-time pad cipher and other state-of-the-art security tools. In this video, we describe the basic usage and components of our one-time pad system, including what is the key generator and why it is needed, how to use BlacMatrix mobile phone devices for secure calls and chat. The system includes a terminal and/or a secure phone along with a key generator computer, which is a fully offline system for creating the one-time pad keys for all one-time pad devices. The key generator creates micro SD cards for mobile devices in 3 main steps. The first step includes creating true random numbers using software-defined radios. This step also includes the XOR process and diehard tests for checking that the numbers are truly random numbers. The second step is the build process for the one-time pad keys and key vaults used in one user constellation. Each constellation includes 10 users. The third step includes writing the key vaults to flash memories for desktop terminals and mobile phones. After the flash memory cards are created, the key administrator distributes them to the end users. The end users can make calls and chat immediately after they have the keys in their possession and installed in their devices. Calls and chat can be made point-to-point between those 10 users. Making a voice call consumes 13 megabytes of the one-time pad key per hour. So for example, 130 megabyte keys offers 10 hours of voice calls. When users have, for example, 130 megabyte keys with each other, they can do voice calls of 10 hours with every other user in the same group, so total of 90 hours. In this case, the total amount of one-time pad keys in one user's micro SD card is only 2.4 gigabytes. The keygen system creates in the first step true random numbers using software-defined radios, which records radio frequency static noise, then converts that noise to individual numerical values. The numbers generated are continuously tested to be statistically random. At the second step, the key generator computer is used also to create one-time pad keys for the users. The key administrator chooses one of the verified true random number files, then selects the amount of talk time, which affects the size of the key to be generated. The system will notify the operator if the size of the random number file is too small with the amount of talk time selected, and the administrator can choose a larger random number file to be used or less talk time. The administrator can also select a lower audio rate to save space. For example, if the calls will be used over a low-performance network like satellite or some digital radios, this may be a good option to choose. Finally, after all the parameters are selected, the admin will choose the constellation ID number and start the build process. This generation process will automatically create all new one-time pad keys and the encrypted vaults for each of the 10 users in the constellation. The system will notify the admin when the process is completed and the key vaults are ready to write to micro SD cards. If there is no need to distribute new micro SD cards keys to the users, these will be stored on the computer for use when needed in the future. After the constellation is created and the micro SD cards are written, BlacMatrix mobiles are ready to use. Each user has their personal phone and their private micro SD card installed on the phone. After turning on the BlacMatrix mobile, the software will boot from the micro SD card installed. The user will enter a code to decrypt the vault, which stores the one-time keypad. This process will take about 10 seconds. The key vault is protected with a robust disk encryption. The keys are secured when the flash memory is not in use. When the vault is successfully unlocked, the user needs to enter their PIN code, which will open the application. If you have several user groups in your BlacMatrix device, you can choose the wanted group before entering vault PIN by swiping up on Start screen. Each group has 9 other users, and you can have, for example, 10 groups in your phone, so totally 90 other users. To make a call, a user selects a highlighted name contact that is online and presses Go Secure, at which time the call will be connected. The recipient can see and hear the incoming call and answer it. After the call is finished, the call ends by pressing deny or terminate. It is necessary to wait for the confirmation text "connection terminated" that one-time pad tunnel has been properly terminated before making a new call. To begin real-time chat, first the one-time pad tunnel must be opened by pressing the online contact button on the screen. After that, change to the message window by swiping left on the screen. Touch the insertion bar before typing messages. Messages will appear in the messaging window above in real time on both devices. For security, no messages will be saved anywhere. When the tunnel and connection are closed, the chat history will be wiped from the phone and screen. Closing the tunnel will take about 10 seconds, at which time new calls can be initiated. While chatting, the user can also send commands to another user's phone. To enter commands, open first the chat and go to messaging window. After that, choose commands from the top right corner and select desired action. Commands allow user to ping other person's phone with sonar voice ping and operate remotely, also the LED light. LED indicator can be turned on and off in red or green color. After terminating the connection, the messaging history will be cleared and the phone is ready to new connection after a few seconds. The setting page can be entered by swiping left 2 times. On this page, the user can choose to enable a Wi-Fi network or cellular network. First, the Wi-Fi networks needs to be scanned and selected, insert the password and wait for the network to connect. After connecting, the device will remember the stored Wi-Fi network until erased. User can also choose settings like the red night color mode, which enables convenient way of using the phone in dark lighting conditions. The BlacMatrix phone can be used also with a cellular network and SIM card along with Wi-Fi networks. This makes easy to use the phone also when in mobile mode and even when traveling and roaming. To power off the mobile, press the power button at the right side of the device for about 5 seconds. A pop-up window will appear, and after that choose shutdown to confirm the operation. The same button is used to power on the device or wake up or blank the screen. The mobile device is a custom embedded Linux software device, and it is not a normal mobile phone which can be used for any other purpose. It is meant only for secure calls and chat between the closed user group. It has no vulnerabilities as normal mobile phones, and it is hardened to have minimal amount of both online and physical attack vectors. One BlacMatrix device can have several user groups. One group includes 9 other users, which means, for example, 10 user groups in one device, you have 90 other contacts to call. Our BlacMatrix system is a complete and easily deployable, unbreakable communication solution. The entire security process is completely controlled inside the end user's organization. As far as we know, this is the most secure system currently on the market, and it is the first known commercial system to use a one-time pad IP packet encryption for full duplex real-time telecommunications. If you have an interest in learning more about BlacMatrix one-time pad secure communication system, please let us know and your local dealer, and we will be happy to answer any questions. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.